Hi, in this video, I would like to give you a brief overview of the different menus of the offline editor application. The application is a project-based application, which means you will need to start a new project or open an existing project to store and save all your profile related to this project. At the bottom, you can see a discard and save buttons. This button will be used during the creation process of the profile, either to discard your changes or to save your changes. Mind you can save the changes of your profile at any time. The back and next button will be used to browse through the different pages during the creation process. If you click on the Luminex logo, you will see the software version you are currently using, but also some notes about the Qt framework which has been used to develop this application. Click on the Close button to close this panel. On the bottom left-hand side, you can see a menu icon. If you click on it, you will open the tray. The tray is where you store and save all the profile for all gigacore or Ethernet DMX converters. Here you can find a new project or new profile icon and an open project and open profile icon. As we want to start a new project, let's click on the new project icon. Now you need to select a folder where to save this project. It's time now to give this project a name. Let's call it Demo. On the right hand side of the title, you can see the gear icon. Click on this icon to access three submenus. The Global Groups menus is only intended for gigacore Ethernet switches. This is where you can set names and different parameters to all specific groups. This is a very handy feature as you won't have to repeat this step at every profile creation. For instance, if you want Group 2 to always be your Dante primary group, simply type the name here. In my case, Group 3 will be my Dante secondary. Group 4 will be for ArtNet. And Group 5 will be for AES67. For each group, I can get access to all the different parameters, such as IGMP snooping and query for multicast filtering, and precision time protocol if you plan to use AES67 protocol, for instance. This is the case, so I will select PTP v2 for this specific group. Into the global password submenu, this is where you can set a password for all the profile you will be creating. This is also very handy if you want to always use the same password for every web interface. In the Miscellaneous tab, this feature is only for the converter profile. This is where you select to see the universe number in hexadecimal value. Click on the Save button if you want to save your settings, and then close the panel. Now, let's have a look to the folder where we have saved this project. Into the demo folder, which is the name of my project, you can find the project file, which is a lumproj extension, the global settings file, which is a good thing if you want to exchange those global settings with another computer, for instance. The workspace will be where you will store all the profiles within the application. And finally, the profile. This is where you can find all the created profile that you will be able to import into the gigacore switch or the Ethernet DMX converter. Thanks for watching.